Hi, I'm Rachel. I'm a senior product manager at LifeStraw. I'm going to walk you through how to set up your LifeStraw Go Series bottle or tumbler. This is the LifeStraw Go Series water filter bottle and tumbler. It comes in a variety of colors and sizes, and the bottle is available in BPA-free Triton Renew plastic and stainless steel. LifeStraw Go Series products feature a two-stage filtration system that removes bacteria, parasites, and microplastics, and reduces odor, chlorine, and organic chemical matter, all while dramatically improving the taste of your water. The Go Series bottles and tumblers come with your first set of filters included and pre-installed, and all LifeStraw Go Series products utilize the same replacement filters. Also, for every product sold, a child receives safe water for a year. You can find these setup and maintenance instructions in your user manual, which is located inside of the bottle or tumbler. This is the cap, mouthpiece, handle, bottle. Note the fill line on all LifeStraw Go Series products. It is on the outside of plastic bottles and on the inside for steel bottles and tumblers. You can also see that the membrane microfilter and carbon filter are pre-installed. Upon first use, we suggest washing the bottle with mild soap and water. To do this, remove the cap with the filter attached and wash the bottle or tumbler with a mild detergent. It's important to ensure that the filters do not come into contact with soap, as this can clog your filters. Next, unscrew the two-stage filter from the lid, setting the filters to the side, and wash the lid and mouthpiece as well. Place all washed components to the side and prepare the carbon filter. With the two-stage filter still detached from the lid, unscrew the carbon chamber from the membrane microfilter and push the carbon filter out of the chamber. We will run the carbon filter under room temperature tap water for 1 minute to prime the filter. When finished, put the carbon back into the filter housing and screw the entire assembly back together and back onto the lid. Fill the bottle or tumbler with water, noting the fill line. Insert the cap with assembled filter and attach by threading or pressing the lid closed. Take a few quick, strong sips to start the flow of water. The filtration rate may be slow for the first couple of batches as air is displaced from the filter, but the ability to drink through the mouthpiece will improve over time. In general, the flow rate is a speed that allows the filters sufficient time to remove bacteria and absorb chemical matter. To maintain your filter, we recommend routinely backwashing your Go Series filter, especially if you use it with sandy or silty water. To backwash, remove the cap with filter assembled on it. Blow back through the mouthpiece to dispel water from the filter. We recommend doing this over a sink or over the ground outside. Resume normal use. We recommend cleaning your product regularly, as you would any other drinking vessel. The plastic bottle, cap, mouthpieces, and handles of the Go Series collection are dishwasher safe once filters have been removed. We suggest removing your mouthpiece from the lid or cap to clean and wash with soap if you notice any debris building up or any odor. The stainless steel bottles and tumblers are not dishwasher safe. Use mild soap and water to hand wash these parts. Dishwashing stainless steel products can lead to rust over time. Make sure to only use water, no soap, when rinsing filters. For reassembly, make sure the inside of the cap, lids, and handles are dry, especially before storage. We recommend keeping the handle unattached when stored between uses to ensure the mouthpiece stays dry. If you are not going to use your filter for longer than 1 month, we recommend a separate set of storage instructions. See our separate video on long-term storage. For more information, you can visit our support pages on our website where you can find how-to videos, FAQs, and copies of our user manual. You can also email info@lifestraw.com.